What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Tuman Show. This is episode 22. It's enough twos for the Tuman Show, right? Today, we're driving to Angeles Crest, going to Good Vibes Breakfast Club. But before we can do that, we got to rewind this thing to a couple days ago when I had to do some work. So what we're going to do tonight now is the door is ajar. So I want it to close, and I want it to close properly. I managed to get them both on, and I'll give myself like a 6 out of 10 on the overall, with let's say 8 in the back and like a 5 in the front. The alignment wasn't good. First attempt, tried to fix it, made it worse, ignored it. But I really want to go for a drive in a couple days. Really want to go back up to Good Vibes Breakfast Club. I want to take the Alfa. And so, I got to do some more alignment. So, alright, situation report. Sit rep, as someone likes to call it. About an hour and a half. But pretty damn flush. It's a lot of work to get the gaps right. I think I did the front door at least a dozen times, give or take. I actually ended up readjusting the rear door too. I got the front as good as I could get it, but the gap just wasn't nice enough. I looked at the back and I had some room to move back just a tiny bit. And as you can see here, nice and even. So, very excited. And so the next thing you're gonna see is something from Good Vibes. Yeah, making this a fun one. We're enjoying the car again. It's 2023. Let's have some fun, because it's time to increase from 2-digit horsepower to 3-digit horsepower. Yeah. made it to Good Vibes Breakfast Club. And by just about made it, I mean I have officially made it to Angela's Crest. I'm not gonna quite be able to do a lot of the driving and talking that I want to, so just enjoy the drive. I'll catch you soon. Having a good time. I got left in the dust by a couple 911s, no surprise there. This thing just doesn't have the horsepower to match them, let alone the mechanical grip that they do. I'm rocking 175s, people. 175 section tires all the way around. Sorry, this is a little chaotic. I'm still on my way there. We're having some fun, man. I'm having some fun. I'll get you guys some more footage here in just a second of some of the cars that are up there. And then, yeah, we'll do a little final thoughts later today. See ya. Alright, so as you can see, I had a blast today. I apologize in advance for not putting in any videos or showing you more than a few cars that were there. And in fact, I don't think I've shown you anything till now. So let's, I'll give you my top three that I had. Number one, 996 GT3. It was painted white with the blue wheels in the GT3 RS livery, but it was not a GT3 RS. Looked great though, can't complain. White on tan interior with blue stripes. Nice combo, legit. Takes third place. Porsche's gonna be there no matter what. Number 2, I would say, was this Volvo. Check this thing out. It was stripped. It had a I don't know if it was caged or if it just had a roll bar. It had at least a roll bar in it. And it looked like it was pumping out some serious boost. But anyways, the car that distracted me the most was this. Just a Miata. Miata's always the answer. Except what's the one complaint about Miatas? The horsepower. And this thing had a Hayabusa motor in it. I believe it was mated to the Miata transmission. It looked pretty serious. It looked like it still needed some work too. But I did have a long chat with the owners and his partner. These guys were hilarious. They gave me bad ideas. I gave them some bad ideas. That's the kind of friendship you want. You can check them out here at Miata Busa. And he said he had some cool stuff coming up. So, all right. As for the Alfa, I had a damn good time. Like I mentioned earlier, I was chasing a couple 911s. I was not keeping up with them. One of them was Magnus Walker, and he was out. The other one was another SC. And yeah, all good because of that thing. Anyways, I definitely had a good time. So the whole goal of this, and this is the like chit chat phase, so if you're bored, just move on. The whole goal of this thing this weekend was to rekindle the love with the Alfa. I've been driving some Porsches lately, and they definitely plant some seeds into my head, especially today. I was like, these things are dusting you. But I was having such a good time driving the Alfa that, you know, at the end of the day, that's what we want. That's what I want. That's what I hope you guys want when you're watching these videos, is that experience. And the rust repair was necessary, but I'm definitely taking a break because I definitely want some more power. I really want to piss off some of these Porsche guys and show them what a little 2-liter Alfa can do. You know, at the end of the day, you don't need 400 or 500 horsepower. I've said it before in other videos. I've said it with other cars. Get out and drive. All right, guys. On the next one, I don't know when it's going to be. I don't know what I'm going to do. But hey, welcome to 2023. See ya.